Welcome to Dr. Veda YouTube channel. Medicinal values of bean. Dr. Veda. Beans are not only a delicious and versatile food, but they also offer numerous medicinal benefits. These legumes are packed with nutrients such as fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals, making them a great addition to a healthy diet. One of the key medicinal values of beans is their ability to promote heart health. They are rich in soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, beans have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a gradual rise in blood sugar levels and can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Furthermore, beans contain antioxidants that can help fight inflammation and protect against chronic diseases such as cancer. With their impressive array of health-promoting properties, it's no wonder that beans have been revered for their medicinal value throughout history.